Now there's some hope for struggling workers and businesses who have not received money from the Unemployment Insurance Fund. Payments were stopped 2 weeks ago after the Auditor-General found millions were awarded to the wrong people. The temporary employee relief scheme will now resume this week. In April, the President announced a 500 billion rand relief package to mitigate the effects of the lockdown. eNCA's Manqoba Mchunu reports.
Businesses were dealt a major blow when the Unemployment Insurance Fund suspended payments due to irregularities. One of those that suffered was this restaurant in Parkhurst. It says none of its 23 staff members received money for their claims and had to take a 50% pay cut.
We basically had to pay our salaries from my boss's own pocket so that people get to survive. And it was such a huge challenge for the staff. Some of them had to be chased out. Some landlords had no patience with them.
This because there was payment chaos.
The people who had been deceased were paid, people who are incarcerated were paid, children younger than 15 years were paid. So there were a number of challenges around the verification of identity numbers.
The UIF says money is now being recouped.
Up to this far, employers have repaid 2.144 billion rands in money that was wrongly paid over. And we have also appointed a forensic auditing company to follow the money into each and every payment.
Employers will have until the end of October to submit their claims. The reopening of the TERS system has come as a huge relief for businesses like this one, among the hardest hit by the lockdown. With payments expected to resume this week, they're now pinning their hopes of finally getting their claims paid out to compensate for their losses. Manqoba Mchunu, Johannesburg.